How to use the Headlight Restoration Kit. Contains sandpaper, sanding plate, sanding liquid, vaporizer cup, plug type 1, funnel, type 2 plug, masking tape, rubber rings, charger. Clean the surface with the water sprayer and dry it. Sand the headlight with sandpaper of grain 180, doing it equally in all the parts. Regularly wet the surface and continue sanding. Clean the surface. Repeat the same procedure with 240 grit sandpaper. Continue with 320 grit sandpaper. After, with the 500. Then with the 800. And finally with the 1200. We add the rubber in the cap of the vaporizer cup so that the liquid does not come out. Pour the same liquid into the vaporizing cup. Put the cap on. Plug the cup with the charger into the power supply. Wait about 3 minutes until the machine starts to steam. Spread the steam all over the headlight. You can do it with the different heads available. We transfer the remaining liquid with the funnel. JBM, your tool.